What you're watching is a head-to-head competition between the hybrid HD edge restraint and a reinforced concrete edge restraint. The goal of this test is simple: which edge restraint is quicker and easier to install? Now, it's important to note that there are many factors to consider when choosing an edge restraint. Things like installation time, labor intensity, cost involved, longevity, freeze-thaw resistance, and even whether you want grass to grow right up to the edge. So, as installers, understanding different edge restraints is vital. It allows us to deliver products to our clients that we can truly stand behind.
Doing over here? You still working?
Yeah, I'm still troweling around.
But it's been like a half hour.
I laid out 20, a little over 20, and I got another 12. I'm just finishing up here. I should be done here in a couple minutes.
Well, I just finished up over there and just counted up the pieces and calculated it. I did 60 linear feet with the hybrid edging.
I mean, you weren't even working hard.
Well, I started breaking a sweat here at the end, but it was it's hot and muggy out.
Yeah, no kidding.
But at least it's not messy and it won't take that long to clean up.
I've already cleaned my buckets as I went. I'm kind of a neat freak in that sense, and I think I did it the most efficient way. I used a mixer in a 5-gallon pail.
Oh, that's better than mixing by hand in a...
I would have taken me twice as long, and it says on the packet that I had to mix for 2 minutes total, dry, and then I mixed and added in some water because you want to mix all the polymers and stuff in it. So I mixed for 2 minutes roughly on each one. I mean, obviously takes a little bit.
I'm not sure how much longer you're gonna be, but I'm just gonna clean up and head back to the shop. I'll see you back there.
Alrighty. Gee whiz, that stinks. I still gotta stinking work. Are you serious?
That was a good competition. I'd have to say though, hands down, I smoked you.
I would have to say too. I had 20 linear feet, troweled out a little bit over, and I had 12 ready to go. That would have taken me about 5 minutes. But so
to trowel the rest of that.
It was about a half hour.
Yeah, so it took a half hour, and you got almost 32 linear feet done. I did 60 linear feet. it's not just the time that it takes to do the task. It's actually the time to go from the truck to the backyard, to bring all the products. You got a wheelbarrow, a mixer, buckets, trowel. I just walked back here with the edging, the stakes, and just a hammer drill, and I hammered it out.
Now, if I had to continue on this project, right, it's like starting that whole process over. So I would be another 30 minutes, a little bit over 30 minutes just to do that same 32 linear feet. And you still have some hybrid edging left. Yeah, and I think the other thing too, I mean, I was hustling. I wouldn't say that I was putzing around. And I think we were doing it the fastest way. We had the drill, we had 2 buckets. We'd take a split it in half, take the bag of concrete, split it in half, put them in 2 buckets, dry mix it like it says on the bag for 2 minutes, and then put the water in, mix it up, and trowel it on. Yeah, I mean, I think it's the fastest way I could have possibly done it. I'm sure there might be some people that argue with me that they could have done it faster, but...
Yeah. Well, guys, just to bring it home, I just want to speak into a few facts. So I was able to do twice the amount of edge restraint as Caleb was. And number 2, I can walk away knowing that I have a really rigid edge restraint. I have a positive connection to the ground because I have 10 inches of hybrid stake in that material that's actually resisting that lateral shift. So I can go home, I can go confidently home knowing that I got a good edge restraint installed. I installed it way faster, saving twice the amount of time. I didn't even work as hard as you did.
No, I would say not. And I think you can grow grass. So when you're leaving that customer's house, you're not getting those callbacks where you got to go back and replace grass. And it's unfortunate, but there's really no solution to growing grass on concrete. And we've done it, like I said, so.
And the other piece is, I'll be able to clean up in 5 minutes. I'll be out of here, and you still got another half hour to do the same amount of linear footage, and you still got to clean all your tools and wash all your concrete off. Hey, great competition.
Thanks.
I think the video will speak for itself.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.